Hi everyone, it's me Josie here again. I'm here to do another eyeshadow tutorial for you. We're going to be looking at Revolution Strawberry Cheesecake palette. This is a nice pink chocolate and a nice mirror at top, which is great, and lovely shades in here, which I think I'm going to really enjoy using. And as you can see, they got shade names on the palette, which is absolutely brilliant. Yay! I don't have plastic sheets to deal with today. Right, so before we get started, just a couple of things I want to go over with you. First of all, I've primed my eyes already and I've used P. Louise. As you can see, I've got no other makeup on and I look kind of old and rickety. And all these age spots here, which I absolutely hate. So lots of concealer over them, so you can't just tell they're there. Also, I'm using quite a few different types of brushes today, so I don't think I will be, I'm not sure, it depends on how we get on. Will I be telling you what the brush names and what company they're from, that sort of thing. Also, just want to ask you to take a second and go ahead and use that mouse, move it over to the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell and you'll get a notification of when my next video comes out. And I'll be probably doing another eyeshadow tutorial, as it seems to be I really love eyeshadow. There's no guess to that. I'm sure a lot of other people feel the same way. So yeah, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to magnify my eyes. Just bear with me a second. And I'm going to use, that's a bit better, so you'll be able to see what's going on with my peepers at all times. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put my brush in that shade called Pinch. And this is a kind of a wide shade all over brush. So I'm just going to pop that all over that lid. Uh-oh. And my daughter's yelling in the other room. I apologize for that. Making lots of noise. And so just keeping on putting that shade on, that pinch coverage, kind of like a peachy shade, which is really nice, peachy pink. And it seems to be going on not too bad. Would be nice if maybe just a little more pigmented. This is kind of like, I think it's there, but it's not quite there yet. It would do with a little bit more pigment in it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some on the other eye. Okay, so looking good. Okay, so that's looking really good. Just gonna go over it with my tapered mini blender brush here. I'm just gonna go into that pinch again. Some nice product on that brush. And just gonna start deepen it. Oh jeez. Okay, it's really good. And I'm gonna go into the shade Strawberry. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. So I think my hubby's retorn his rotator cuff again. So maybe we'll find out on next week, I believe, whether or not he's gonna have some more surgery. He had a little accident that's done the job, and it's just gonna have to go through it all again. Horrible, isn't it? That's really pretty. And I'm just dragging that out a little bit just to give me a bit of a wing. Right, back into that strawberry. Other side now. Oh, I hope he doesn't have to have surgery. It's gonna mean it's just, you have to see him in pain all the time. It's horrible. He's stubborn though. It's like, tell him not to do something and he goes ahead and does it anyways. It reminds me of the kids. I think just pop in some more of that. Let me know if you think it's better that I mention what brush I'm using, or do you like it when I'm quieter and just focus on what I'm doing. Let me know in the comment box. That didn't turn out right, the way that I wanted. That's a bit better. Okay, so I'm going to just clean that brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Pour, which is that brown shade. And I'm going to use that just to kind of darken the outer corner with, and a little bit on the other side as well. Quite nice. Okay, just clean that brush. And just gonna pop the shade. What shade am I going into here? And let's go into base. And I'm just gonna touch up here on the inner corner. Just get some brightness going there. And the other side, just a tad on the center, just to highlight that look. Just gives it a bit of pop in the center. Okay, that's pretty good. And then finally, let's get back to that pointy brush again. And I'm gonna go into the shade Fluff. And we're just gonna pop that on the inner corner. Really pretty. So I just had to go out and not shout, but go and forcefully close my daughter's door because she just started ranting and raving and swearing, and it just wasn't very ladylike at all. So yeah. So now it's all of a sudden it's quiet. Oh, minus the fact that hubby's back from the shop and he's got the music on downstairs again. I love listening to music when I'm like editing on PC downstairs. So I'll just sit there and I'll listen to Metallica or Motley Crue or something like that, and I'll just sit there and edit away. Stop it every time I need to stop it to check something. Yeah, so, but yeah, I enjoyed listening to Motley and that, and they're my favorites. And because I keep saying to people I know, especially the doctor and stuff like that, I'm a creature of habit, and I like to do things a certain way, and that's just a part of my makeup of who I am. So yeah, no, I will listen to things over and over again, the same things, or watch the same type of movies. Like I can watch a movie and never get tired of it. Some people, like my husband, just like, he's seen it once, he doesn't want to see it again. He just wants to move on to something else. And I think it'd be nice to be like that, but instead of being really stuck in my ways. Is that what it really is, or is it just my preference? One of those things, I'm not really sure. Is that what makes me comfortable and makes me feel safe? Just, watching the same things, doing the same things. Maybe there's a safe issue. Who knows? I'm not a psychiatrist, but sometimes I like to kind of figure out what's going on in my head, or what's going on in people's head, what they're thinking about, that sort of thing. Yeah, so just a bit of fun. Alright, so I'm gonna clean that brush now, and I'm gonna go into where are we here? My smudger brush. So I'm gonna go in with that strawberry on the outside, and I'm just gonna line the lower lid a little bit. Just kind of almost halfway, but not halfway. A third of the way. As you can see, I'm flicking it with the wing that I created earlier, so I can continue. I can't think of the word. I'm having such problem with my words lately. I can't think of it. Is it fluidity or something like that? When you want to keep something looking the same way, not continuously or something like that. Anyway, it'll come to me. Always does eventually. And back into that pinch. There's pinch for, and I'm just going from the center of the eye towards the inner corner. Oh, somebody's not happy outside. Some young kids screaming. Probably walking home or something. And back into that pinch on the other side. And some more. You must be loud because I got my window shut and I could still hear them screaming from across the street. And that's why I only had 2 children. I don't think I could have handled a third like that. And they are all grown up now. And it's hard because I feel lonely sometimes if they're not around. Except for Monica, she's still here, but Erica's off, you know, doing her thing, and it's lonely not having her here. Sometimes it just feels quiet. Head back into that strawberry, guys. I almost had that word back in my head, then it just disappeared again. The continuity. Could be continuity. Okay, let's clean that brush. Go in with this eye blender. The pink handle ones are my Jessup brushes. The black ones are a mix of Morphe and Amazon no-name brushes. So if you're interested exactly in which ones they are, leave me a message and I'll get back to you about it. So I'm just adding a little bit more of that strawberry, and it's really pretty. Okay, clean that brush. And I'm gonna use my, where are you now? There you are. Nice crease brush by Jessup, and I'm just gonna gently blend it. And the other side, just softening that up. Okay, gonna go into that base again. Gonna pop a little bit more of that highlighter on the center of my eye. Let's clean that brush and go into that pinch again, and just kind of just putting some more of that pigment on the other side of the highlighted area. Looks quite nice. Right, so I think that's pretty much it for the eyes, guys. I'm gonna go right away, put my makeup, the rest of my makeup on, and come back and talk to you about the palette. See you in a minute. Alright, I'm back after putting the rest of my makeup on, and I'm absolutely loving this look. The pink against the peach is just blowing me away. It's absolutely beautiful. I've got two little things to do left, so I thought I'd do them and share on the camera with you. This is a Boots product called Glow Brightening Mist. It's a pink, baby pink bottle, and I spritz it from quite a fair ways away, because your face kind of glows too brightly if you put it up too close to your face. And then I've got my W7 Splash of Paradise Prime and Set Face Mist, and it smells like watermelons. It's great. And again, I'll just from far away just spray it on and let my face dry, because it's absolutely shining now. So let's just air it out here, and my face is shining just like I like it. I like looking like a glow baby. I just find matte is just kind of so flat and unimaginable, and you know, you can tell when a product's caked on when it's matte, because all you can see is like powdered together, like clumped together. I just don't. I think a nice glow really just, you know, sets you off for the day and makes you look absolutely beautiful and flawless. Right, so that's pretty much it for me, guys. Just to go through this palette again quickly with you. It's the Revolution Pink, I think it's Strawberry Shortcake. My daughter got it for me for Christmas, so I'm not sure exactly how much it is, but I will look online and put the price of it here for you on the video. Again, it's got shade names on it, which I'll put on the video as well for you, so you can follow through quite easily. And yeah, I'm happy with this palette. Would I buy it if I had the chance to buy it? Yes, I would. The pinks are just beautiful, and the peach is just like, wow. I never thought I'd like peach so much, but it's just so beautiful. Yeah, lovely colors in this palette. You've got a mix of really light shades, buttery type shades, to dark brown shades. So you've got a mix to kind of put something together for you. Even if you're in a rush, you could pop through the palette and pick the colors, and away you go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for. I really like this palette, and I'd buy it again. I hope you found this tutorial easy for you, and maybe help you decide whether you want to purchase it or not. Again, it's the strawberry shortcake from Revolution. It looks like a chocolate bar. Very nice. Alright, so if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, anything at all, please leave it in the comment box below the video and I'll get back to you. I check my messages every day, so you will hear from me. And it'd be quite nice to hear from my viewers, what they think of the videos that I'm putting up, and you know, and do I seem like I'm getting better or worse? Please don't tell me worse. So yeah, put your thoughts, ideas, whatever you want in the comment box, and let's just use this space we've got, guys, to share ideas, thoughts, colors, anything that you would like to share. And that's pretty much it for me, except for one or two little things, and I think the main thing will be for you to go ahead and use that mouse and go press that subscribe button and hit that bell, and you'll get a reminder for my next video that comes out, and hopefully you'll be able to follow along, and we'll just go through learning all this makeup, you know, together. So that'd be good. Alright, so that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching today, and please feel free to look through any of the videos that I've got put up, and just keep it going. Alright, so that's it for me now. Bye for now.